again. Good afternoon, good morning, whatever the time of the day it is for you. Today, I'm going to start a series of post review. When it's a specific company, like this one, this is for ArtDot. I will do it. The light is giving me some shadows. I will do it exclusively for that company. When it's Amazon various diamond paintings, I will do all of them in one take. Today we have a post review of one of the cuties that I did, showing you the picture. If you watch the unboxing, you will know which one I did. But first I want to talk about it. Those cuties were very much fun to do. I mean, the one that I did, the first one. And I have over here, and it's kind of also an idea, by the way, ArtDot. This is how I kit up the drills for the diamond paintings for this size. So it was fun because you have kind of a color scheme, different monochromatics with different shades. Like you have the purple ones over here, pinks, red, the green, yellows, and orange, and the blues, and the black and white. So it was so much fun to do, but I'm gonna put this aside. But the thing is that I love the most is how it turned out. Take a look at this. This is such a cute. I'm trying to get the light on it so you can see the shine on them. Take a look at this. They are so cute. And that shoe was so much fun to do it. To come to see it, it's not the same when you have the flat canvas without no drills than when you put the drills on it. And this is such a cutie. But I would like to do something with this one. And with the other three, something special. You know that sometimes some communities are helping the low-income people with basic needs, right? Myself, when I was there, and we live a very flat, even a smaller apartment, the one that I am right now, sometimes you wish you had something in the wall, to decorate or whatever. And I would like to donate this one to a person who has kids that is low income. So if you know somebody out there, because they are too cute to put it in a portfolio, because I don't have a space to hang all this stuff. So I had to put it, the small one, I put it in a big portfolio case. And the big ones, what I do is I roll it up. I have a whole bunch of mailing tooth of all sizes. But these, honestly, I would like to donate. This is so freaking cute. Look at his whisk over here. Look at this one. Like, I'm just hanging out here. And the colors, it was so much fun to work. Like I said, like I show you on this color schemes and by section. And this is cuteness overload, definitely. This is so freaking cute. So please, if you know somebody that I would like to have that, is having a hard time, because we all go through hard times, and besides the basic needs, like food, shelter, and electricity and a phone, sometimes you wish to have something to hang on the wall, especially if you have little kids, like a Christmas gift. I will frame it, but I would like to frame it in one of the color, and I would like to know what color the person prefers, because this could be for a boy, and I just put a frame on a blue, because there's some nice cute metal frames out there to put these on. So let's donate this cuteness overload to somebody who needs it. Jenny, I know you have a channel, and you know a lot of people. Please, I have my email on my description box. Please contact me through that email regarding to donate this, because this is definitely for a kid in a bedroom. And I know even if you people with low income need the basic needs, I know I've been there, but no, I don't have kids. But you know, just to have I had an empty wall, and for Christmas, my husband was working at $7 an hour, which nobody can live on that. We were barely paying rent and electricity. They sometimes, you know, you wish somebody will donate you or give you as a gift, Christmas gift, something to put up on the wall, you know, to look at it, to make someone happy. So I would like to make, you know, some kids' room happy. So please contact me through the email. And like I said, this is cuteness overload. Oh my God, I enjoy it so freaking much. Putting the schemes on it, the color schemes that I showed you before, you know, the purples and the bubbles over here, and the tennis shoes. That's a goof up. that's very, very neat, pretty neat. So I hope you enjoyed this. Please, again, contact me so I can donate this to make a kid happy, a family happy, who can afford, you know, buying either a diamond paint, or cannot afford to buy something to decorate their kids on. So until then, have a wonderful day. Remember love and peace, and remember to vote to make your voice heard on November 3rd. Bye. Have a wonderful day.